Hi everyone, in this video I am going to present the topic on cardiovascular system and its structure. Okay, this cardiovascular system is one of the most important system in the human body. It mainly consists of a heart, blood vessels and blood. Okay, here the heart will pumps the blood to all parts of the body, while the blood vessels such as arteries, capillaries and veins help to transport blood and nutrients. Okay, then the structure of heart. Okay, this heart is a muscular organ. It is located slightly left side of the chest. Then it consists of four chambers: right atrium, right ventricle, left atrium and left ventricle. Okay, this heart is covered by a layer called pericardium. Okay, this is a diagrammatic representation of a heart. Okay, here it consists of a superior vena cava, pulmonary veins, right atrium, tricuspid valve, right ventricle, inferior vena cava is there, then aorta, pulmonary artery, pulmonary veins, left atrium, left ventricle, Purkinje fibers, septum and aorta. Okay, the next thing is blood vessels. The blood vessels are a network of tubes that will carry blood to and from the heart. Okay, there are three types of blood vessels: arteries, veins and capillaries. Okay, usually arteries carry the oxygen and nutrients away from the heart, but the veins will carry the deoxygenated blood back to the heart. Okay, then this capillaries will connect the arteries and veins in the tissue. Then arteries are a thick walled blood vessels. Okay, this one will carry the oxygen rich blood. Okay, the aorta is the largest artery in the body. Okay, this one will carry the blood from heart to other parts of the body. Okay, this arteries will have three layers, namely intima, media and adventitia. Then veins are thin walled blood vessels. Okay, this one will carry the deoxygenated blood back to the heart. Okay, there are superior and inferior vena cava. With this one is the largest vein, which will carries the blood towards the heart from the upper and lower parts of the body. Okay, here superior in the sense upper part, then inferior in the sense lower part. And capillaries are a blood vessel that will connect the arteries and the veins. Okay, they are the only one cell layer thick. Okay, this one will allows the efficient exchange of oxygen, nutrients and waste product between the bloodstream and the tissues. Okay, then next topic is a conduction system of a heart. Okay, this conduction system is a specialized group of cells in the heart that coordinates the electrical signals that regulate heart rate and rhythm. Okay, this is a diagrammatic representation of a heart conduction system. Here, first of all, the electrical impulse will spread from the sinoarterial node. Okay, this sinoarterial node is in the left. It will passes through the left and right atria and causing the atria to contract and expelling its volume of blood into the ventricles. Okay, then electrical impulse spread from this bundle of branches throughout the left and right ventricles, which will causes the ventricles to contract and forcing them to expel their volume of blood out into the general circulation. Okay, then functions of a conduction system. Okay, this SA node will receives the electrical impulses from electrical impulses. Okay, this one will act as a natural pacemaker of the heart. Okay, this impulse from a SA node will be transmitted to the AV node. AV node is also called as atrioventricular node. Okay, then it will transfer to the bundle of His. Okay, then this bundle of His branches into right and left branches, which is then further distribute the impulses to the Purkinje fibers. Okay, then this Purkinje fibers are the specialized cells that will directly stimulate the ventricular myocardium, and it will causes a ventricular contraction. Okay, then components of conduction system. It consists of SA node. It is a natural pacemaker of the heart. Electrical impulses starts here. Then AV node. The electrical impulse from the SA node is received by the AV node. Then bundle of His. The signals from the AV node is transferred to the bundle of His. Okay, it is branched into two right and left branches. Then it will move to the Purkinje fiber. Okay, this Purkinje fiber causes a ventricular contraction. Okay, the next concept is cardiac cycle. Cardiac cycle refers to the sequence of events that occur during the contraction and relaxation of the heart muscles. It consists of two phases, systole phase and diastole phase. Systole in the sense contraction, then diastole in the sense relaxation. Okay, then there are isovolumetric contraction is there. Okay, here the ventricles will contract, but there is no enough pressure to open the semilunar valves. Okay, this causes the blood to be trapped in the ventricles. In ejection, the ventricular pressures will rises to open the semilunar valves. Then the blood is ejected into the pulmonary artery and aorta. Okay, then diastole phase is there. It is a relaxation phase. Okay, this phase is also divided into two subphases. Isovolumetric relaxation. Here the ventricles will relax. Okay, but the blood volume remains constant until the AV valves are closed. In filling, the AV valves open and blood flows from the atria into the ventricle. Okay, that is a filling phase. Okay, the cardiac cycle repeat itself about 60 to 100 times per minute. Okay, it will depends on the age and health of an individual. Okay, the next concept is cardiac output. Cardiac output is the amount of blood pumped by the heart in 1 minute. It is calculated by multiplying the heart rate by the stroke volume. Okay, here heart rate in the sense number of times the heart beats per minute. Then stroke volume means the amount of blood pumped by the heart with each beat. Cardiac output is a very important measure of heart function. Okay, this will consist of a data that the heart can able to meet the body's metabolic demands for oxygen and nutrients. Okay, thank you all.